Hello, hello. Let's start with the tutorial. First, I have to click on here on the link. I must see my provider, in this case Chelsea Hodges. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put here my name, Andres. In this case, Andres Correa. Then I'm going to do it join. Very well. And it should usually share me this screen. So look at this. Here is my picture. So I must click here on the camera. So here the camera I will show myself. So I'll just have to wait until she accepts my recall. And then this should be like this. I'll just have to wait here the therapist to accept me, and that should be all for now. Remember, keep this icon without the slash and this one too. Okay?